Want to add new features to Obsidian that aren't included by default? Community plugins let you extend Obsidian with tools created by other developers, and in this video I'll show you how to find, install, enable, update, and remove them. Before installing community plugins, there's one important thing to understand. These plugins are created by third parties and can run code on your computer, so you should only install plugins from developers and sources you trust. Let's start by opening Settings and selecting Community Plugins from the side menu. By default, Obsidian uses Restricted Mode, which prevents community plugins from running. To install community plugins, click Exit Restricted Mode. Obsidian will warn you about the potential risks, so make sure you understand what you're enabling before continuing. Once Restricted Mode is disabled, you'll see the option to browse community plugins. Click Browse, and Obsidian will open the Community Plugin directory. For this example, I'll search for a plugin that I want to install. Once I find it, I can open its page to see more information about what it does and then click Install. After the installation finishes, you'll have the option to enable the plugin immediately. You can also enable it later from Settings Arrow Community Plugins, where you'll find all of your installed plugins. Each installed plugin has a toggle that lets you turn it on or off without uninstalling it. This can be useful if you want to temporarily stop using a plugin but might want to use it again later. It's also worth knowing that community plugins don't update automatically. This is done for security reasons. To check for updates, go to Settings Arrow Community Plugins and select Automatically Check for Plugin Updates. And if you decide that you no longer need a plugin, you don't have to leave it installed. Simply click the three-dot button, choose Uninstall, and confirm. Community plugins can make Obsidian much more flexible, whether you want additional features, integrations, or changes to the way you work with your notes. Just remember that these are third-party tools, so take a moment to understand what a plugin does and make sure you trust it before installing it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.